Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you about dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries concept is very much important in Python language, where we have to collect the different attributes data in one particular dictionary. And using the dictionaries with a bunch of key value pairs we can use to implement the dictionaries. Like these keys are value pairs. You can assume it's a name is there. Okay, like name it may be test, and email is there, that equal to test at gmail.com. All right, anything on a view of our data, and a phone number, that would be cell number, it would be the numeric digit. This is, we will see now, this is, we can say that this is a key and this is the value. The variable what we have discussed earlier, this is the key and this is the value. It will be treated as an key value pairs in dictionaries, right? And the keys would be unique on dictionary. The key should be particularly unique. Like a customer's data, we can see take it. Simply customer. I'm taking as an CUSTUMER customer, and curly braces we need to write for the dictionary declaration, and the double quotes I'm taking is in right colon, not equal. It's equal to if we use it, it's called as an assignment. If we used colon, it is in the declaration of the dictionary, right? That is equal to there's no boolean value only. All right. Now, if I print the name, what would be the output? Now, see how it would be print of using the dictionaries like CUST customers of double quotes of key. I'm going to print the dictionary part. Key I'm going to printing over here, and you will see the fish is came out from the dictionary. See, if I paste n number of items, I can use to read the dictionary name and use the, I'll get the value of the dictionary key value pair. Alright, if we pass the name which is not available in the dictionary, sometimes it may be possible, and which will be represent key error. Alright, which is also can get method by using the can get method to passing the key value pairs to get the proper answer. Like the customer dot get and passing the, let's see, get method, there is a facility to get the values like the customer dot. If you press the dot, and you will available, all the methods are available showing displaying here. Just simply type get of name, also you can pass it. All right, one more braces over here on this. This is this, right? By pausing, this is the way also you can get and read the dictionary key by passing this, and you will get the value of the particular parameter key value. All right, in such way, like earlier we have seen to update the like a name of what I have said to you at name of list name corrections based on indexes. Here also based on the key value pair, like the key based on the key you can pass the value and update the dictionaries. How it would be we will see. Like simply declare here customer, like a name I am going to update over here. I'm passing the key of what is the value I want to want here, John, right? That's it. And here I am going to print to the customers complete, or simply pass the key only for the name only. Now let's see print how it will be. All right. Now see, John is updated. Earlier, at the beginning of the position, the stage, what it would be. On customers, its name by default it's the crash, the dictionary, right? And the value here I'm going to update it by passing customer's dictionary name with the value of a key I'm updating with the text of John, and I'm printing the customer's name of John only. That is the pretty much easy to modify and corrections of the values from the dictionary. And also, if you want to change email of the user or age or appending an age and all, that is also can be possible and very easy to do, like adding such a parameters like this. All right, you can add or remove and do appropriate as you wish to change. Most of the cases the user may use, you need to use for dictionaries is like a bunch of data which is coming from the different users, and you don't know about the parameters. So what are the fixing parameters? In such time you need to use like append conditions. Based on the conditions, if it is not available, you can append it, and if it is already overhead and there is a separate parameter, you need to update it for the dictionary. You can add for an updation like calling. This is the key value you are passing with the value. That is a very much pretty easy to getting into the using the dictionaries. Thank you.